Hi you guys, welcome back. Man, I cannot believe I'm approaching 2 million views, and I'm 3/4 on the way to 10,000 subscribers, so thank you very much. And if you're new to my channel, please check out my GMC Yukon playlist, where you'll see tons of GMC Yukon repair videos. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. Believe it or not, this really helps me to continue making these repair videos. Okay, let's get started. Alright, this is going to be a nice repair because it doesn't require a lot of tools. So I'm going to start on the driver's side first. Okay, the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to feel around the edge of the lens. We're looking for a little notch. Just run your fingernail around it and you'll find it. Once you found it, take a small screwdriver and kind of wedge it open. Be careful not to break the lens. Looks like my screwdriver's a little too fat. If you have a pick, like this one here, try using a pick. Yeah, it seems like a pick works a lot better. Next, we're going to need to remove this reflector. If you're just exchanging the bulbs, you may not have to remove this reflector, but you are going to need small fingers to remove the bulb. Since I'm reinstalling it with LEDs, I'm going to have to take this reflector off. Comes out really easy with the pick. Be careful not to break it because it's really thin plastic. Next, try and get your fingers in there and remove the bulb. You don't have to twist it off like a screw, it just pulls right out. Oh, one more thing before I forget. Check out my GMC Yukon Auto Electric playlist. It has nothing but electrical repairs. Just click above on the right hand corner and it'll take you there. Well, it just so happens I dropped the bulb, but this is what the bulb looks like. This is the new LED that I'm installing. Supposedly it's a little brighter, but definitely a lot whiter. The next thing we want to do is make sure that we're putting in the bulb the right way. The first thing you're going to want to do is press the map light button to power the light on. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the light bulb and put it in, but don't put it in all the way. If it doesn't come on, turn the bulb 180 and plug it back in and see if it comes on. Again, don't plug it in all the way. Once it's on, that's the way you have to install it, in that position. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the reflector and put the bulb through it, and you're going to install the reflector and the bulb at the same time. Make sure you align yourself correctly and push the bulb into place and press it in. As you press it in, the bulb should come on. If it doesn't come on, you don't have it in there correctly. Now we're ready to snap in the lens. There's that notch that I was telling you about earlier. That's where you're going to put your screwdriver next time you remove it. One more thing, and make sure you clean the hood and your lens really good. I'm sure you've accumulated a lot of dust in there. Okay, let's get the lens installed. This is pretty easy, it just snaps right in. Make sure it's snapped all the way in. And you're done. Wow, that looks a lot brighter. And a lot cleaner too. This map light swivels really hard. It's really hard to move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray a little WD-40. I'm just going to shoot just a little bit and have this rag just in case I drip. Clean it off and move it around a little bit. It should feel a lot better. Yeah, there you go. Let me turn the other map light on. You'll see the big difference. I can already tell this is a little brighter, but most of all, it doesn't have that yellowing effect. I like my lights whiter and brighter because it gives me better glamorous shots. Once you do the passenger side, you're all done. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!